There's a belief we all quietly hold on to. If we just join enough committees, show up in DC enough times, support enough lobbying groups, someone will eventually fix this for us. But here's the truth no one wants to say out loud. Advocacy isn't going to save orthopedic surgeons because the system we're trying to fix was never built for us in the first place. I'm Dr. Tyler Goldberg, founder of NAOCA, and today we're digging into a hard truth. Advocacy won't save us. Not because advocacy is bad, but because the game is rigged at the structural level. Let's get into why surgeons feel like we're pushing a boulder uphill with a string. Let's start here. Orthopedic surgeons represent 0.05% of healthcare workers, but a massive percentage of downstream costs. What that means? Every payer, every hospital system, every governmental advisory group has a vested interest in controlling the cost of what we do. Advocacy groups go to Washington once or twice a year. Payers go every single day. Advocacy groups write the white papers. Payers write the rules. We give testimony. Payers give money. You can't win in an asymmetrical battle with another side who outnumbers, outspends, and outreaches you by a factor of 1,000. It's not a fair fight. Here's the part that drives surgeons insane. The people redefining the value of what we do have never done what we do. Think about that. The cost of a total knee replacement is decided by committees of non-surgeons, policy analysts, budget officers, hospital finance teams, CMS advisors, corporate consultants. Not one of them has ever scrubbed a case. Not one of them has ever cut a bone. Not one of them has ever borne the responsibility of taking somebody else's pain away. Yet these are the people who tell us how much is a total joint worth? How many RVUs do we deserve? What our time is actually valued at? How full our schedule should be? How much our reimbursement should be cut? How much efficiency should we achieve? We're asking outsiders to fix an inside problem. That's never going to work. This is the quiet part that nobody says. To the system, we're just labor, nothing more. We're not experts, not inventors, not artisans, not leaders, not physicians with 15 or 20 years of training and experience. We're just labor, replaceable, interchangeable, regulated, utilized. In the eyes of CMS and commercial payers, a total hip is a commodity. A knee replacement is a budget line. Your time is an operational variable. And once the system decides your labor, that strategy becomes very simple to them. Control you, standardize you, speed you up, pay you less, plug you into the machine. No amount of advocacy reverses that mindset because it's not an accident. It's the business model of medicine. Here's the flaw built into advocacy. It's always trying to fix yesterday's problem. RVU drop, react. Conversion factor cut, react. New prior authorization rules, react. New payer tactic, react. New CMS regulation, react. Meanwhile, the system is always 3 to 5 years ahead of us. They're already planning the next cut, the next shift, and the next squeeze. Advocacy is like trying to plug holes in a sinking ship with golf tees. By the time you fix one leak, 2 more have opened up. The only path forward is an upstream. This is the part surgeons need to hear. You cannot fix a system whose financial health depends on your underevaluation. Listen to that again. You cannot fix a system whose financial health depends on your underevaluation. The hospital stays profitable by underpaying you. The payer stays profitable by undervaluing you. CMS manages budgets by cutting you. Why would they ever change that? Advocacy is noble, it's important, it matters, but it will never restore the value of orthopedic expertise because restoring that value opposes the financial incentives of the entire machine. The way forward is not upstream against the current. It's parallel, a new model, a new incentive structure, a new way to practice where your value isn't defined by the volume or speed. For me, that was Concierge Orthopedics. For others, it'll be something else. But it won't come from Washington, and it won't come from advocacy. It will come from surgeons stepping out of the grind and reclaiming their identity. This is why I built NAOCA. It's for surgeons ready to step out of the grind. I'm Tyler Goldberg. Email me at founder@orthopedic-concierge.com. Tell me where you're stuck in the system, one joint surgeon to another.